Hey guys, what's going on? Vega here from SerpentX Special Forces, and in this video we're going to be going over how to mine Conceal and their official website, Conceal Network, and much of the projects has actually been discussed in great detail by my buddy Savagemine. So if you're interested in learning more about it, I would challenge you to go check him out. I have him linked down in the description below. Before we look into the wallets available, I just want to read this off to you. So Conceal Network is a secure peer-to-peer privacy framework empowering individuals and organizations to anonymously communicate and interact financially in a decentralized and censorship-resistant environment. And it's actually grown more popular as I see all of these Kryptonite GPU algo type coins climb up in the more profitable cryptocurrencies to mine. It's actually been climbing up since the latter part of April and much into May. It's been remaining in the top 10. But the wallets available to us are a Web3 wallet, a mobile wallet, a desktop wallet, and of course they provide their roadmap. And there's a lot of good features of Conceal Labs or Conceal Network, which I challenge you again to check out content on that. We're just focusing on the mining aspect. The mobile wallet, obviously, if you're somebody that's always on the phone, always on the go, the mobile wallet can suit you. However, you can get the desktop wallet for when you're home on your laptop or desktop and then use your mobile. You can also link them all up. I'm going to be using the cloud wallet. Now, once you get the cloud wallet up and running, it's pretty much the standard protocol, right? You're going to register for an account, you're going to sign in, all that stuff, and you're going to get to your main dashboard where you need to get your wallet address, right? So I can even create a new one. And when we're here on this main dashboard, if I mouse over these icons, I look for Receive CCX, and when I click on it, I can copy my wallet address up in the upper right hand corner here. And that's going to be important to us to get mining profits into our own wallet, because much of these miners have default files that we need to make sure we're editing them so that we're not paying somebody else, we're making sure the payments get to us. So in short, once we have the wallet set up, then we can choose the mining pool that we want to go to. Well, our tried and true website, miningpoolstats.stream, allows us to look for all the various pools that are available to us. Of course, choose the best one for your country or area. HeroMiners.com offers one for the EU, US, and Asia. So does HashVault.pro. And then Soapy Fresh is only United States, and then Zerg Pool is in the same countries that I mentioned earlier. You can go on and on and on based upon what your requirements are and location. We're going to go with Hero Miners. This is their main website, conceal.herominers.com. I have it linked down in the description below. We can see their overall network, pool mining, the pool hash rate, solo mining, which is optional. If you don't have the horsepower to do it, I don't recommend solo mining. I talked about that in a past video as far as, you know, mining, what coins to mine solo. But always look for a get started, how to, something in these websites to help you get the ball moving. And in this one, of course, it's in the upper corner here, start. When we click on that, it gives us a little website, how to mine Conceal, or a little video. But then also has the miners and everything right there for us. Now for AMD GPUs, I would say go with SRB Miner. Have used XMR Stack. It does work just as well. But for more newbie miners, just go with SRB Miner and get the latest version available. For NVIDIA GPUs, go with Crypto Dredge. I don't think they updated recently. Let me go check that out real quick. January 8th of this year. So yeah, it hasn't been updated in a while, but it still works for Mine Conceal. For SRB Miner, I believe they had a recent update. We're just going to go based off of this. So SRB Miner released an update 7 days ago. So I like to see miners and devs of the various cryptocurrency projects always updating and innovating. That's what I really like. So we're going to choose the one that best suits our need. In this case, we're going to go with the Win64 zip one, and we're going to download that. If you do have something in the bottom left-hand corner that says this may be a virus or Google stopping it or whatever, it's probably because of your antivirus, and you need to let Google or your antivirus know, hey, no, it's okay. I trust this this developer or source. If that's the case, when you open up the notification that shows up in the bottom right of your computer, it would take you to your normal Windows antivirus. If not, come here, go to virus and threat protection, and you'll see some type of notification right here. If you don't see it, go to protection history, and then here you go. And you can actually see when we click on it, it actually tried to stop Phoenix Miner. And so we're going to click this drop down for actions, and then we're going to hit allow, and then we're going to be good to go. If you need to, just re-click the link, and then it will show up in the bottom left instead of download canceled. Once that's downloaded, it's going to be in a zip folder, so we're going to need to extract it. However you use it, 7-zip, WinRAR, whatever it may be. But go ahead and open it up. We can see all our various batch files already in here. We're going to hit extract, and I'm just going to extract it to my downloads for now. And you can see once we're in our downloads, there it is right there. And if we double click it, now we have all the various files, and it actually has Start Mine Conceal right here, all the various algorithms available to us and all the various coins. That's great to see because that makes it easier for the user. However, SRB Miner is just for AMD GPUs or CPUs, but not for Nvidia. So for Crypto Dredge, it's going to be a little bit different, but the premise is basically the same. And what's nice is that Hero Miners pretty much gives you everything you need right here. You can literally copy this, replace your wallet address, add a worker name, and you are good to go to get up and running. So on the SRB side of things, we're going to right click the Start Mine and Conceal, hit edit, not just double clicking and running it, because then we will wind up mining to someone else's address. Then we need to verify and make sure we got our wallet address. So again, we want to make sure we got that copied, and we want to verify that we're putting it into our miner or batch file. We got that pasted in there. We can confirm it has our pool address, and to verify that, you just want to compare against the pool what it has. So there it is right there, conceal.herominers.com, port 10360. This one has 361. And that basically means we need to change it. So it's using an old port number. We need to change that from 10361 to 10360. There we go, we're good to go. And you can see that everything is basically set up for us. So it does disable the CPU, so we're not mining with our CPU, we're only mining with our AMD graphics card, which is the RX 6800 in this system. It does specify the algorithm, Kryptonite GPU, which is actually listed up here, right there. And it gives us our address or a server and port number for pool, our wallet, and then GPU boost 3. Now, some of these variables may not make sense to you, but if you want to get a little bit more advanced, you can always look into the README file, or where you go to download these miners, they typically have additional information that you can learn about the miner to really extract the utmost performance from your miners. We need to make sure that we save this batch file. Now, you can hit file save, and it's going to overwrite the default that was already in here. I tend to like to keep those default files in case something goes wrong and I need to go back to it. That's not likely, but I just like to save as instead of save, and then give it a unique name. So I like to tell it, like, for example, Hero Miners, or the project, excuse me, Conceal Hero Miners. So now I know that is Conceal Crypto that I'm trying to mine on Hero Miners pool. And at the end of it, you see .bat. But under the save as type, we need to make sure that we're changing it from .txt or a notepad file to all files. So that way we can definitely save it as a batch file. It won't just be some notepad document that when you open it, it does nothing. Once we save that, you'll see it pop up right here. And if we double click that and turn off my video, it will begin to start mining. Now, the reason I turned off my video is obviously I'm recording and mining at the same time, so I'm going to have a reduced hash rate, reduced performance. I'm going to go ahead and stop this miner so that way I can not be so choppy anymore. And once again, we just want to verify that our worker is showing up at the pool before we just walk away. We want to make sure that we're getting some shares submitted to the pool. If you're a single GPU user, it may take some time, so be patient. But once you verify that you're getting shares submitted at the pool and you see your work and everything, you are good to go. There's various ways that you can participate in the Conceal ecosystem. But once again, I would challenge you to check out Savagemine, who's done great content on the Conceal network or Conceal cryptocurrency. I'll have him linked down below, as well as additional links that help support the channel, recommended hardware, links to the store, dogelord.com. But that's going to do it for me today, guys. Please do me a favor, hit the like button on the way out, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.